LR here. Today we're in Virginia Beach and we're gonna test fly the Parrot Sky Controller drone. And here it is. We have protective styrofoam contraptions right here. It's more for indoor use. These things, we have the battery, which is fully charged, and then we have 14 megapixel fisheye lens right here, right in the front. The Sky Controller part has the joysticks, the antenna right here. You can either have an iPad, or an iPhone or whatever, and you can actually see the footage, or whatever the Sky Controller, whatever the drone sees, you can see the footage through the iPad. I'm gonna try to earn my wings today. Dude, there's so many bees right now. God, man. Oh my God. I feel like there's like a wasp's nest right nearby somewhere. I'm not sure. Oh God. So many bees. There's a lot of bees in this park.